Hello dear friends, I invite you to crochet simple heart cord. I did a lot of cords in my video tutorials, but this cord you can use like a base for your big project. And also in the end of this video tutorial I will show you how to use such kind of pattern to create base for the big project. I call them hearts or leaves. You can create belt, decoration, bracelet, choker, handle for handbag. And I remind you, this is the short project. You don't need spend much time for this one. If you like to make such base for your project, I will tell you some tips how to make it. Please write comment below the video what you will get. Follow me in social media and of course crochet with me and learn more. And for this project you need to have some tools. Join me and let's get started crocheting. For work I will use 2mm crochet hook, 55% cotton yarn and 45 acrylic, 160 meters in 50 grams. Let's begin the work. Make a chain, pull it, it will be a knot. I won't use this chain later. Then make a chain. I will make a base into this chain stitch. Then chain of 5 for the chain space. Well done. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the first stitch, knot into the knot, and make double crochet knot finish. Make the first one, then yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the same chain stitch, make the second one knot finish. Continue, pull through all loops on the hook. The base for the segment is ready. I did a cluster made of 2 double crochet. Then chain of 2. Yarn over the hook and insert the hook between chains. I insert the hook around the chain, pull up a loop, make 6 double crochet knot finish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Well done. Then let's finish my first side. Then yarn over, pull through first loop. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops till you will get 2 loops on the hook. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I have got 2 loops on the hook. I remove the hook, remove the yarn behind the work and insert the hook into 2 loops. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the second half, and make 6 double crochet not finish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I have done 6 double crochet not finished, then yarn over, pull through first loop and pull through 2 loops. I will make pull through 2 loops till I will get 3 loops on the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have got 3 loops on the hook and pull through, then chain of 3. Insert the hook into 3 loops. Make a slip stitch. The picot is ready. Then chain, turn the work. Insert the hook into 2 loops and make a slip stitch. So my segment is ready. Let's stop and look at the work. My leaf or the heart is ready. You can use it like an earring, pendant, or keychain, so it can be perfect for decoration of the big project. Let's look at the back side. And let's crochet the next segment. Let's repeat how to make it. Turn the work to the front side. Make a chain, as I did before. Make chain of 5 for the chain space. Then yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the first chain stitch. I insert the hook into 2 loops. And make double crochet not finish. Make the second double crochet not finish and pull through all loops on the hook. Then chain of 2 and you should continue working by yourself, so you should repeat as many times as you need. So my beauty is ready. It can be like hearts or leaves. And now let's look at the back side of my cord. They are a lot of chain spaces. And now I put my cord and show you how to finish my cord. I didn't cut off the yarn. I did a slip stitch. You can cut off the yarn here. I will not cut off the yarn. There are a lot of chain spaces on the back side. You can use such chain spaces to join this project to another one. Make a slip stitch and you can cut off the yarn. And I remove this yarn. And for example, this is the beginning of your big project. You can make a chain and continue working. Also, you can insert the hook into any chain space and join new colors of yarn and continue working. I remind you, this kind of project can be base for big project or can be part of big project. It can be perfect like an edging or belt, necklace and bracelet. I don't cut off the yarn and I will begin the new one. I did a lot of cords in my video tutorials, but this cord you can use like a base for your big project. Turn the work to the back side. I insert the hook into the chain space. Make single crochet 1, 2, 3. Then chain of 2 for a chain space and double crochet 1 and 2. Then chain of 3 and double crochet to the next chain space and double crochet 2 more times. It can be any pattern, so you should look that you don't pull your row in crocheting, so your swatch should look very delicate and beautiful. And let's make more 3 chains and 3 double crochet into the next chain space. 1, 2 and 3. And let's stop and look at the front side. As you can see, I continue working on my mesh. You can use any kind of pattern. So please don't forget to subscribe to my page or channel. Follow me in social media. And of course crochet with me and learn more. It was Elena Rugal. Bye!